Due to the lockdown from COVID-19 pandemic, we have realized now more than ever before just how important it is to be connected to others and be in proximity to nature in our everyday lives. What if there was a way to reconnect with the people in your community while making your city greener and more vibrant? This is the idea behind Coopost, a cooperative gardening initiative to bring people together and empower them to create their own local green space. Based in Milano, this open-source project allows any group of citizens to independently start, build and maintain their own compost center step by step and become key players in a new approach to sustainability where local neighborhoods are a driving force. Together we can work towards a new vision for